Need to organize and access critical learning documents instantly? Tenneo's Briefcase makes it effortless wherever you are.
Do you struggle to manage content on multiple devices and manage plethora of documents? Imagine effortlessly managing all your work documents in one place. Access product brochures, reference documents, training materials, and compliance information on the go, without switching devices, tools, or folders. We understand how crucial it is for your resource to have access to right material anytime, anywhere. All they have to do is to access the Collaborate module in their learning platform and go to Briefcase. The Briefcase feature in Tenneo LMS is like a doc vault within LMS. It's designed to streamline the organization and management of learning materials for users. This feature allows learners to collect, store, and access essential documents, resources, and notes in one centralized location within the LMS. With the Briefcase, users can easily download and upload files, ensuring they have quick access to important information. These files can also be shared by the manager, admins, or bosses to their respective teams and departments. Additionally, the Briefcase feature supports offline access, allowing users to download and review materials without an internet connection, which is particularly useful for on-the-go professionals in your industry. Isn't it a great feeling to marry Kondo your mismanaged materials?
Start using Briefcase in your Tenneo LMS today. Subscribe for more tutorials.